Okay girls, welcome to a little introduction on how to do engineering drawing for Year 9 engineering. We're just going to recap on the model we did last week in class and start having a look at how to model it. So here we go. I'm just going to share my screen with you. Now hopefully you should be able to see Fusion just here. What we're going to try and do here is model the model we did in class, and we'll just go through the same steps we did last week. We'll just minimise this in between, so let's see how we go. So, first step is to create new sketch. So that's the little green plus button in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Click that, and you can select any one of the planes that we spoke of last week. So click on that one. That'll bring you into sketch mode. So now you can see all your sketch tools. The little sketch bar is highlighted just there. So to do that, we'll flick back to our model, have a look. So we can see last week we started with the base. Again, you can start a model any which way, but we're going to start from the base again. So the aim here is going to draw a rectangle which is 55 by 50 and 10 millimeters high. So here we go. So you can just drag it out. You can roughly see the dimensions. You can either type them in as you go, or you can click the dimension button up here, make that 55. Enter, just click and drag out, and 50. We're happy with that. Finish sketch. Now you can extrude that up just by selecting it, dragging and pulling. You can see it automatically locks to 10, or you can actually type in the dimensions as well. Hit OK. So next step is we're going to draw this little 25 by 25 cube that goes in this back corner. So we'll orientate it around so it's the same way. And same thing, so we keep on sketching on top of all the new surfaces. So this time, rather than selecting one of the planes, we can select this top surface. Let's just spin around a bit, get it back in the right view, just double check. So we're going to sketch in this back corner just here. So we're going to do a square, and you can also type as you go, so 25, and then hit the tab button to go to the other dimension, 25, enter. Now a little shortcut, rather than hitting finish sketch here, you can hit E as a shortcut to extrude. And now because we've got multiple shapes, we need to select the one that we want to make 3D. So now we'll just type in 25, hit OK, and now we've got the next part of the shape. We'll just orientate it again so it's the right view, similar to our picture down here. So you can see now we're just left with doing that last little bit here. So that's just adding an extra 5 millimeters high, and you can see that this little dimension just here is 5 millimeters from the front edge. So again, new sketch, click on this surface, and you can see now we're going to sketch. We'll go from this corner, drag it all the way down to that bit that we just extruded out. Now dimensioning between lines, you can click on one line and click on the other, and then drag it, I guess, perpendicular to that, drag it up. That dimension's 5, hit enter, and we're happy with that. So again, we'll do the shortcut, is E for extrude. It brings it back into a nice little isometric view to make it 3D, and now we can just hit 5 and hit OK. And then pretty much, if I want to drag that over here, bring our image back up, you can see that's pretty much exactly what we've got. So now save it. So make sure you hit File, Save, and then save it into your Year 9 engineering drawing. Just call it CAD Model 1, because you'll be doing a couple of these, so make sure we've all got them as different file names. And that's it. Hopefully you can get that far. Yell out if you're getting in trouble.